Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat mga people. So today, I'm gonna show you my plant. This is the oregano. Did you know that the oregano is really have a benefits for our body? Number one, it can help to fight cold and if you have flu symptoms. And also oregano can help to reduce the inflammatory in our body. And they have also rich in nutrients and good source of vitamin K that is really important in our bone health. That's why we need to add this one in our home garden, the oregano plants, because after it will help for us to make our health really good.